In Fortnite, you can send in-game items to your friends by using the gifting feature of the Fortnite Item Shop. You can send skins, backblings, harvesting tools, gliders, contrails, emotes, wraps, music, and loading screens. In this video, we will gift a skin to a friend. To gift an item, open the Fortnite Item Shop and find the cosmetic item that you'd like to send to a friend. We are going to choose this Recon Ranger skin. In the top right of the screen, make sure you have enough V-Bucks to purchase the item. Select the item and choose the option Buy as a Gift. In the scrollable menu, you can choose a player on your friends list to receive the item. To find them faster, you can type in their username. If your friend already has the item you're trying to send, a prompt will appear to let you know, and you will not be able to send the item as a gift. If you're having trouble gifting an item, make sure to read the Fortnite gifting policy. In order to send a gift, you'll have to enable multi-factor authentication on your account, and the person receiving the gift has to be on your friends list for at least 2 days before sending them a gift. Once you've met the requirements for gifting, you can personalize the gift by selecting Wrap Options. This will let you change the color of the gift wrapping, and in the past it allowed you to send a customized message. When you choose a friend and select Purchase Gift, the player will receive the item immediately. The next time they enter the Fortnite lobby, they will see a prompt appear with a gift-wrapped item and a friendly message. The item is now in their inventory, and they'll be able to use it in-game. Check out the Fortnite playlist on our page for more game tips.